In this video, we'll show you how to correctly install the canopy for the iMOW robotic mower. The following video instructions can be used for the iMOW 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It also applies to the corresponding EVO variants. The canopy can be installed or retrofitted on the docking station in just a few easy steps. In addition to the canopy, the box also includes a left and right support, the rod for locking and unlocking the canopy, as well as 4 fastening screws with wing nuts. To begin, insert the screws in the provided recess in the base plate of the docking station. To lock, turn the fastening screws clockwise by 90 degrees. Now place the support on the base plate and ensure that it audibly snaps into place. Then put the wing nuts onto the fastening screw and turn them tight. Repeat these steps on the other side of the docking station. First, insert the screw in the recess, turn it clockwise by 90 degrees, align the support. Let it snap into place and finally fasten it with the wing nut. Now insert the canopy lock-unlock rod correctly and push it into the locking latches. This may require a little bit of pressure. Fold both arms of the support units up and press the canopy vertically down until the fingers on the underside of the canopy audibly snap into place. By pressing the side rod, you can now open the canopy. You can access all connecting points of the docking station and the control elements of the iMOW at all times. Now, fully installed, the canopy protects your iMOW robotic mower against dirt, rain, and heat.